Are you confused about Cline and Cursor? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down the differences between these two tools. Both Cline and Cursor help you manage and analyze data. They are popular choices for developers and data scientists alike. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Cline. This tool is known for its user friendly interface. It makes data visualization easy. You can create reports quickly, which is great for teams on a deadline. Cline also offers good collaboration features. You can share your work with others seamlessly. Now, let's look at Cursor. This tool is a bit more advanced. It focuses on data manipulation and transformation. If you need to clean and prepare your data, Cursor shines in this area. It also has powerful integrations with other software, making it a flexible choice. So, what are the main differences? Cline is simpler and better for quick visualizations. Cursor, on the other hand, is more robust for complex data tasks. If you need straightforward reports, go with Cline. But if you require deep data analysis, Cursor is the way to go. When it comes to features, Cline has a solid set of tools for visualization and sharing. Cursor offers more options for data processing and integration. Think about what you need most before making a choice. In terms of pricing, Cline tends to be more affordable for small teams. Cursor may have higher costs, but it offers more advanced capabilities. In the end, if you want ease of use, choose Cline. If you need in depth data handling, Cursor is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more comparisons.